Smithsonian Little Explorer, Hurricanes by Martha E.H. Rustad. What is a hurricane? Wild winds blow. Heavy rains pour down. People move to safe places. What is happening? A hurricane is coming. Hurricanes are gigantic spinning storms. They form over oceans. They travel slowly. Sometimes they move over land. Hurricane winds can rip up trees. How hurricanes start. A hurricane forms over very warm ocean waters. It begins as a small thunderstorm. The storm is called a tropical disturbance. Warm waters feed energy into the storm. The storm grows. It is now called a tropical depression. A growing storm. The tropical depression builds slowly. The storm pulls more ocean water up into it. More rain falls. Winds become stronger. The storm begins to spin around a calm center. Over a few days, the storm changes. Some storms die out. Others grow stronger. The tropical depression may become a tropical storm. The tropical storm may then grow into a hurricane. Parts of a hurricane. From above, a hurricane looks like a huge donut. The eye is the circle at the center. It is a calm area with slower winds. The outer arms of the storm spiral out. The eye wall is the strongest part of the storm. The winds are fastest here. On the move. Winds inside the hurricane spin and spin. Winds outside the hurricane push the storm. They steer the storm across the ocean. How big? Most hurricanes are about 200 miles, 322 kilometers across. They are about 6 to 9 miles, 10 to 15 kilometers tall. Very tall clouds, called hot towers, sometimes form in the eye wall. Hurricane Bonnie in 1998 was twice as tall as Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. Destruction. Hurricanes that hit land cause great damage. Winds blow sideways. They tear roofs off buildings. The winds may last for many hours or even days. The winds die down, but the storm is not over. The hurricane's eye is passing over. The calm may last a few hours. As much as 40 inches, 102 centimeters of rain may fall. A deep wave, called a storm surge, hits the coast. The waves can be as tall as 20 feet, 6 meters. Floods wash over the land and damage buildings. Hurricane seasons. Hurricane season is long in the Northern Hemisphere. It lasts for more than half of the year. Hurricane season in the Southern Hemisphere happens during the other half of the year. What's in a name? The first storm each season starts with an A. Each storm continues through the alphabet. The names switch between girl and boy names. Famous hurricanes. Great Galveston Hurricane. In September 1900, a strong hurricane hit Galveston, Texas. At least 6,000 people died. Hurricane Katrina. In August 2005, a weak hurricane passed over Florida. It grew stronger as it moved over the Gulf of Mexico to Louisiana and Mississippi. Heavy floods swept over the city of New Orleans. About 80% of the city flooded. More than 1,800 people died. High water mark. Superstorm Sandy. Hurricane Sandy began in October 2012. It first hit islands in the Caribbean. As it traveled north, a cold storm met it. It grew into a superstorm that hit the northeastern United States. The storm caused $65 billion in damage. Study